This is how you turn this into this. Creating a perfect lawn with turf is one of the fastest ways to transform your garden. But everything starts with proper preparation. Spring is the ideal time to lay turf, as the conditions help it establish quickly. First, dig the soil thoroughly, at least to the depth of a spade. If the ground is compacted, go deeper. Break it up properly. Good drainage is essential. If water stays in the soil, your lawn will struggle. While digging, mix in compost or well-rotted manure. This improves soil structure and helps retain moisture. Once the soil is ready, level the surface carefully. Remove bumps and fill low spots. The smoother the surface, the better the result. Lightly firm the soil. Walk over it or better use a roller. This creates a stable base. Now it's time to lay the turf. Start along a straight edge. Lay each piece tightly, no gaps. Stagger the joints like bricks. This helps the lawn knit together evenly. Trim edges if needed. After laying, press it down gently. Use a roller or walk over it. Do not mow immediately. Wait 2 to 3 weeks. Check if it's rooted. Lift a corner. If it resists, it's ready. First cut? Do it if the grass is between 3 to 4 inches high. Set the mower high, and only trim the top. Watering is critical. This is where most people make a mistake. Keep it constantly moist. First few weeks are crucial. Never let it dry out or you'll get gaps and uneven growth. In warm weather, water daily. And now the hard part, keeping it like this.